So guys, we're playing a game called Egg Inc. I think this game is new. I'm not sure if it is, but this game is just about like making a farm with chickens. Tap this button to make chickens. All right. Whoa! I saw a chicken come out of my house. Where's the chicken going? Look at it! Look at it go! What was it? It's a drone. Oh, it goes in the hen. Oh, go chickens! Try using a few fingers. What? Oh my god. There's so much chickens. Guys are making so much chickens. Oh my god, we have too much chickens. I can't even get in the pen. What is your age? Over 21. Totally. More chickens produce more eggs. So more you make money, keep making chickens. I'm making the chickens. What's this say? You're almost out of the house in space. I got you, fam. Upgrade. Ooh, that's a lot of money. Ooh. Build hen house. Have enough? I'm so close. Guys, I'm so close. Yes. No, I tapped out of it. Guys, it's okay. Breed chickens. Nico making a video, can't talk. Breed chickens. Yes, I have more space again. God damn it. God, we have so much money though. Wait, can we upgrade? Oh, we can upgrade. Nice. Upgrade. Produce more baby chickens! How are we producing these? That's just my question. Why is there drones flying around? World's biggest questions. What does this say? There's a hatchery in Diplet. Normally it would refill its own over time, but we'll refill it instantly now. The truck. What does this say? Keep making more chickens. Okay, cool. New York Times. Egg science. Chickens expose certain comics that are usually yet beneficial. Okay. Cool. Done. Please. Okay. Make money faster with the research. How do I research? Oh. So much researching. Guys are researching like hell. Guys are making so much money. Money in the bank. Research. You fat pieces of garbage, reproduce. Oh, another mail. To further explore and tell discoveries, 3 chickens will be spending 6 months on the Internal Space Station. Whoa! Cool. I can't upgrade that. I'll upgrade you. Can't upgrade the coop. Yeah, we're getting money real quick, guys. Like 20 per second. Another upgrade. More chickens. So yeah, this is kind of like what should I call this? What type of game is this? Like, it's kind of like Cookie. It's like a cookie clicker game just with chickens, and you do more than just tap cookies. Yeah, you guys might like this game. This game is called Egg Inc., and this is the end of the video. I'm just seeing what this game is really about. And yes, and be the end. See you guys later. And oh, no, I didn't have to do that. I should do it. Yeah, let's do it. Hey.